Hello children, I am your Suchitra Miss and today I am going to take literature of class 3. So take out your literature book, chapter 1, the mother tongue. So what does the word mother tongue means? Mother tongue is a language which we are generally speaking since our childhood. This story is based on Akbar and Birbal. Who is Akbar? Akbar is one of the greatest Mughal emperor of India, whereas Birbal is courtier in his darbar. As a courtier, courtier is a person who generally attends the royal court or who act as an advisor to the king. Akbar would have many visitors at the royal court: poets, artists, priests, and foreigners from different parts of the world. One day, a learned Pandit visited the court of Emperor Akbar. He claimed to know a number of languages. He boasted that he could converse fluently in all these languages. The Pandit challenged anyone to ask him questions in his mother tongue. He was able to answer each courtier's question in his respective language: Sanskrit, Arabic, Telugu, Punjabi, Bengali. Surprisingly, he even answered a French nobleman's question to him in French. Everyone was impressed. Now, what is being said in the second paragraph? It is being said that Pandit gave a challenge to each and everyone present in the court that they can ask him any question in their mother tongue. But he was able to answer each courtier's question in his respective. What does the word respective means? Own. He could answer in his own language like Sanskrit, Arabic, Telugu, Punjabi, Bengali. Varieties of language he could answer in. Surprisingly, he even answered a French nobleman question. What does this mean? Means that he also knew French. So everyone was impressed. Akbar gave him a bag full of gold and silver coins as a reward. Whom does Akbar give a bag full of gold and silver coin? He gave to Pandit because he was impressed as he could speak so many languages. Before leaving the court, he threw a challenge to the king and his ministers to find out what his mother tongue was. He wanted the answer the next morning. Should you or your courtiers fail, your highness, you will have to admit that my knowledge is superior to that of yours and all others who are present here. He said. Akbar accepted the challenge and made him his honor guest for the night. So what does this mean? It means that while he was leaving the court, who was leaving? Pandit. While Pandit was leaving the court, he gave a challenge to the king and his ministers. What was the challenge? The challenge was to find out his mother tongue. And he also said that if anyone fails to find out his mother tongue, then they have to agree that Pandit's knowledge is superior. Superior means higher than the knowledge of king or other ministers who are present in the court. Akbar accepted the challenge and made him his guest for the night. Honorable guest means respected guest for that night. Okay, now come to the next paragraph. The moment the Pandit turned his back on them, Akbar turned to his courtiers for an answer. Everyone started to think. Some frowned and scratched their heads. Some sat and played with their moustache, while a few got up and started to walk up and down, all in deep thought. No, they gave up after some time, as they could not think of any way to find out what the Pandit's mother tongue could be. So what happened in this paragraph? It has been said that once the Pandit left the court, Akbar now started asking questions to his courtiers. Everyone started to think. Some frowned and scratched their heads. Okay. So what does frown means? Frowning means when we are in distress or when we are angry, we contract our eyebrows. So they started frowning and scratched their heads. We know what is scratching their heads. Some sat and played with their moustache. Some were playing with their moustache. But nobody could answer what was his mother tongue could be. Everyone was in deep thought. Everyone at last gave up. Now Akbar turned to Birbal, who too had a knowledge of many languages. I said Birbal about Birbal. He was the courtier in Akbar's court. He was full of what? Wit and wisdom. Now Birbal, Akbar is telling to Birbal, our honor is at stake. We hope you will not let us down. Now what is Akbar telling to Birbal? He is telling that, see Akbar, our honor is at stake. Honor means good name. At stake means at risk. Our good name is at risk. We hope you will not let us down. So Akbar is keeping only hope on Birbal, because Birbal also knew lot of languages as Pandit knew. Okay. So half of the chapter has been done. I believe that any question, any inside question is been given, then you will be able to answer. Now let us come to the word meanings. See, number one, what is being given? The mother tongue. Mother tongue, word meaning of mother tongue. The language which a person has grown up speaking from early childhood. Now what did you mean by courtier? A person who attends the royal court, as well as he advised to the king or queen. Wit, a person who is skilled at using words in a clever and humorous way. Wisdom, the quality of being wise, claimed, declared, converse, speak fluently, effortlessly, respective, own, superior, higher. So thank you children for watching my video.